All right, guys, get them lined up. Get the novice truck off the track there. Thank you. All right, drivers. Go. Calls your name, Bruce. I think we're going to be first.
When I call your number, go Bruce Charles. Go Javier Caballero. Go Austin Tips. Go Jeff again. Go Tyler Ernst.
I don't think Bruce is used to all that power. He's breaking the rear tires loose left and right. He says, I'm ready for sportsmen next time they have a sportsman class. He's out running these open trucks. Go Bruce. Oh, Bruce gets upside down. Austin gets upside down. Little Marshall help here. Thank you.
Attention.
A little more Marshall help by the water pipe.
4 minutes and 2 seconds to go.
Hey, Javier. Nice to see you in the pool. Got Austin on his side. Get him, Wesley. Thank you. Up next is going to be two-wheel drive buggy. That's going to be Daniel Myers, Jack Aslin, Tyler Ernst, Peyton Roberts, and Jeremy Reed.
6 seconds to go. Javier Caballero with car number 4 is running in first.
Actually, on the clock right now, the order is Tyler, Javier, Jeff, Austin, Bruce. Tyler's best lap of 32.4. That was his last lap. Javier's last lap of 31.4. That's his best lap. Javier gets on his side. He straightens it out. He's going to slow him down just a little bit. Javier takes over the lead now. Last lap was a 35.1. Let's see what Tyler comes back with. Tyler comes back with a 37.1. He's still in the lead, but only by 2 seconds. Jeff is now in third. He's about 4 seconds behind Javi on the clock.
Attention. 2 minutes and 47 seconds down. And 2 minutes and 12 seconds to go. Tyler Ernst with car number 1 is running in first, on pace of 9 laps in 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Javier Caballero with car number 4 is running in second, on pace of 9 laps in 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Jeff Wynn with car number 2 is running in third, on pace of 9 laps in 5 minutes and 22 seconds.
Austin comes back with a 35.6. That's his best lap of the day. Tyler's still in the lead. He has 4 seconds on Javier Caballero. Javier's in the pink truck down the front straightaway. Tyler is in the Sega purple truck down the front straightaway. Third place, Jeff Wynn's in the silver and white truck. Jeff is about 1 second behind Javier on the clock.
Car number 2 is running in third, on pace of 9 laps in 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
Javier's last lap, a 33.07. Tyler's last lap, a 33.04.
Give me a workout, man. I'm sorry, man.
Oh, Javi gets on his side. Wesley's running to get him. That's not going to help him get in front of Tyler. May help Jeff, though. It's going to give Jeff a chance to move into that second place qualifying position. Got no time left in this race. Go until the computer calls your name.
Javier Caballero, you are
Javier
done.
finishes at the 9.509. Tyler finishes with the 9.505. That's the new top qualifier. No, Tyler's top qualifier was a 10.538. So Tyler retains TQ. Jeff finished the 9.512. Austin with the 8.520. Let's see what Bruce comes back with here. All right, Bruce, you're done.